Whatever the new program of this guarantee they have given, they can't work. This is impossible. There is a lot of difference in it. Because here in the panchayats had the power to take up the work. Now they are telling Delhi will decide. And 40% of the revenue, no state can afford. If any decision has to be taken, they should have taken the confidence of the states. When they, without taking the confidence of the states, they have done this program. It is not, we can't agree. We will go to the court. We will fight it on the street. In every panchayat, we will organize meetings. In every district level, state level, division level, we are going to organize. We are going to educate the people, and we will see it is a big failure. This is right to work, right to live. It is a guarantee of work which the program was been given by the Congress party. So in the entire country, no panchayats will digest it. And we will see that every panchayat makes a resolution against this bill.
Mr. Prahlad Joshi says that it is illogical to give 2 crore advertisement to National Herald. Secular
Prahlad Joshi doesn't know the history of National Herald.
Sir, left side alla ಐತ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಗಳು ಹಾಕೋರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
It is the history of the country. It is a party, it is a Herald paper which has been a part of bringing freedom to this country. So Prahlad Joshi at any point of time or his party doesn't believe in democracy or they have not fought for freedom. It is the Congress party has fought for freedom, and in those days Pandit Ji started this great newspaper, and is a big history in this.
He says to please the route.
ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 24x7. ಇದು ಸತ್ಯದ ಧ್ವನಿ.